Cupcakers! Today we're gonna make sugar cookies.
Ingredients:
a cutting board, rolling pins, a bowl,
eggy,
sugar cookie mix,
a half a cup of melted butter,
3 tablespoons of flour,
sprinkles,
cookie cutters, and forks. I'm going to just move the cutting board, cookie cutters, and rolling pins out of the way. So all you need is your bowl, your flour, your butter, your egg, and your sprinkles, and your fork. Okay, so, and your cookie rings. Okay, you want to open this?
Sure, I'll open this. Okay, oh, that's very kind. Ooh, so you pour that in.
Ew, it looks like corn flour.
Maybe it's corn flour.
No, it's not, but it looks like corn flour.
It's all chunky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can we put our egg in?
No, flour first.
Yeah. We don't use all of it because we need.
No.
But okay.
You already did.
Okay.
And then you pour your melted butter in.
Okay. Can I crack the egg?
Go ahead. And so, okay, so we're gonna pour our sprinkles in now. I don't know if we're gonna use all of it, but
I think that's good.
trying to put a lot in because there's a lot of batter.
Okay, I guess we're.
Oh my, I only have that much left.
Just put them in.
I did a lot.
Okay, so
I'm just gonna add the rest in.
Okay, now we mix it together and we'll be right back.
So we were stirring with the forks, but you may need to stir with your hands. This is way more easier.
So
I think it's pretty good now. So
I think we're gonna roll it out now.
So we'll be okay. So we're gonna take a half of this cup, and we're gonna just
sprinkle it on the cutting board.
Oh, it's so soft. It feels like a baby's bottom.
But flour is pretty soft. Okay, so I'm just gonna. No.
Okay,
I think that's
now we're gonna.
We're done with that. Now we're just gonna put the dough on the cutting board. Okay.
Okay. So there's our dough. It's big. So now we're gonna roll it out. So we'll be right back. Okay. So we're gonna roll out our big clump.
Yep.
Actually, you know, it'd be easier if we each take a side. So,
Okay.
and then we up. Oh my!
Great splitting up.
Yeah, it's crumbly. It's very crumbly.
It's like corn flour, but that's okay. It tastes good.
So we're kind of gonna roll it up into like a hill.
No, not a hill.
Kind of like a hill.
Okay, you're just gonna roll it about like
just
that
hill.
thick, I guess. So
That much.
we're gonna make a lot of cookies and decorate them. You're really in my way.
Oh, it looks cool with all the sprinkles in there.
Yeah, they kind of distributed.
What?
Like the green, it's like all.
You're not good at explaining things.
Me neither.
Okay, so we're gonna just keep kind of going like that.
Look.
It's crumbly. I don't know what to.
Okay, well we'll just be right back.
Okay, so we rolled it out.
I'm not done yet.
But you need to make it a tad bit thick for the cookies so they can rise good. And if you're rolling it out and it starts sticking to your rolling pin, just take some flour and sprinkle it on there and keep rolling. So I think mine is good. We're gonna wait for Danny to get done, and then we're gonna start
cutting them out. Okay, so we'll be right back. Oh jeez, I forgot to put flour on this.
Oh no! So is it sticking?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Remember to put flour.
Okay,
on
I'm
your
just gonna
cutting
start
board.
over. I destroyed it.
So I'm just pulling my cookies out. I'm just pulling it out like the batter or the dough. So see, like my heart's pretty good.
Can you put that back in there? Yes. I forgot to put flour on my cutting board because we did 2 cutting boards because we were getting kind of smushed together. So
And
I forgot. So
remember to put it on there.
okay, now we're just gonna put the cookies on the cookie sheet.
Yep.
The dough kind of is being a meanie to us, so we're not making all the dough. So
Yeah, and don't put them that close together because they will spread out.
and they will stick to each other.
Yeah.
So we might need 2.
Well, let's see.
Is that?
My flour almost died. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah, we may need another one. So
Yeah, we need.
what? Oh
Maybe-
no, her flour died.
Okay, I don't. Will this one come back to life?
No, it's dead for good.
Oh, okay. I'm done.
Should I use like one of these little ones? 'Cause we don't need.
Yeah,
that
we don't need that
much.
much. It's more like a pan, but that's okay.
Okay, so we got our frosting.
Can I say something? Okay,
You don't have to say that, Danny.
Okay. Well, anyways, we're just gonna I didn't want to interrupt. Okay. Anyways, we're not gonna add the sprinkles to it because we have sprinkles. Right
Yeah, we're gonna use those later. So
now. We're just gonna move that out of the way. So we're gonna color them these colors.
we're gonna plop some frosting into ooh,
It looks really.
into each.
I'm okay.
We're gonna take one scoop and just go back and back until because we want to make it even.
Yep. So we'll just
Here, wait. Can I see your spoon?
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll just put the frosting in and we'll
Thanks.
so we'll just we'll just be right back.
Okay, so we're gonna put our food coloring in.
I'm gonna start with pink blue. So then I'm gonna color this one pink.
And remember, don't get it on your clothes because then it won't come off. And I would put less, and then if you need more, just add more.
I'm just gonna put 2 drops to start with.
I put 3, but they're little ones.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, this is a pretty pink.
It looks like a strawberry
Yeah.
cheesecake.
See, look at it.
Ooh, my blue's pretty.
It looks like the frosting
It's
that
like
we
a
did.
teal.
It looks like the one that we did in the first video.
No, that looked like purple.
Purplish, like a. Oh my gosh! Look at this.
Ooh, that's so pretty. You put just the right amount.
Okay. So we each get to do 2. So you want to do the next one or the small one?
I'll do the smallest one.
Okay. Here you go. You can put that. But this is such a pretty pink.
I'll do orange.
Okay, now I'll do purple, I guess. It's the only one left. Okay, I'm just gonna start off with 1 drop because this looks pretty dark.
I'm gonna do 2.
And if I need more, then I'll just
It looks like blood.
blood.
That is my favorite color.
Oh, look at it. It looks like a really dark lavender.
Ooh, I hate the smell of lavender.
You do?
Yeah.
I think it smells pretty good.
And every time I smell it, I want to barf. Ooh, this is like a peach, kind of. It's all pretty.
Okay, I think I'll add like a half a drop.
Wow, that's pretty.
Charlie, you're licking my foot. Or you won't.
So,
Okay.
We did all of them. Well, Danny's still starting with that one. So now once our cookies come out, we can decorate.
Yep, and we're gonna use, I think we're gonna use piping bags, right?
Yes. And that's when we're going to use the sprinkles.
To put them on top. I love this pink. I think this one's my favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite too.
Look at it, it's so pretty.
Whoa.
So I think we're just gonna, the cookies are almost done. So
we'll be
right back.
with you. Okay, so our cookies are done. And this is my sister. She's gonna decorate cookies.
Hi. Okay, we're just gonna start now.
I'm making my oh, look at that. It's so pretty.
I'm doing a crown. That's, if this rubber band comes off, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
Okay, so we're gonna keep decorating these. And so we'll be back. So we're done making our cookies.
So I have a marvelous idea to mix the frosting together, and it just turned really brown.
And then this one I like because it looks like a gold. And so yeah, we're all done with these.
So which one's your favorite?
My favorite is either this one or I don't know.
My favorite is that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one.
Okay, so you have a ton of different favorites. So, thank you for watching today, and we'll see you again on Cupcakers.
Bye.
We're back at Danny's show.
Okay, this is not sponsored, people. By Wilton's Food Coloring. We're gonna use that to make our frosting. Okay, as you saw in the commercial break, we don't need that anymore. Okay, step by step of how we made our cookies. Okay, we used this sugar cookie mix. We didn't make all the cookies because they were like a pain. So this helper person right here is making the rest of them. Okay, then you need 1 egg, a stick of butter, and now it's commercial break again. So bye.